Mobile phone. A mobile phone is very useful device. We can make phone calls and send messages. It helps us communicate with others easily. We can use the internet on a mobile phone. Students can learn many things from mobile phones. They can attend online classes. But the misuse of mobile phones is harmful. It can also harm our eyes. It reduces our attention to studies. So, we should use mobile phones properly.